Hey guys, so this is the fork. It's gonna be in the Trifox SDY 21. Like I said, I've also got a rigid 29er fork coming, so I'll be testing that out as well for sure. My local trails are pretty smooth, mostly gravel, not too rocky. So I'd like to build up a really lightweight, stiff hardtail. But I've ordered this front fork because I might be taking the bike to some rougher trails, and I want to see how they go. The difference between the two setups. So this is a Rockshox SID SL charger, I think, with a lockout. So I'll open it up and yeah, show you what we got. Tell you what I think about it. So if you open the box, the first thing you'll see is this mudguard. So we got that. Then we got this little bag which contains the twist lock, which looks really good. Actually, I really like this. One thing that I just realized opening this up is that I had gotten some ergonomic grips for this bike, but yeah, I didn't realize that I can't use that, obviously. I need to have space for this twist lock. The good thing is, it comes with grips as well, so one half grip, or yeah, pretty much half grip, which is going to be on the left, and you're going to have your shifter in there, so that integrates really nicely. So that's cool. Yeah, it comes with a star nut, and what's that other little thing? Looks like a cable guide or something. Bar and stops. Yep, cool. So this is it's basically a twist. How can I show this? A twist to lock, and push to unlock. Oh, that's really smooth. Wow, that's very good. And so Rockshox forks basically come with either a twist lock or the one lock, and in my opinion this is way cleaner because you don't have an extra lever on your bars, and plus you can use that space on the left for a dropper seat post, so you can have both fork lockout in the grip and a lever for a dropper seat post and still keep your bar really clean. So I like that. So yeah, this is basically everything to set that one up. We got another bag of some stickers and some cable ties or tie wraps, whatever you want to call them. And it's already out of the plastic, guys. I already opened it up, but I couldn't wait. It is so light. I was actually really very surprised to hold it. See how light it is. It's really nice. So this is a boost spacing, 110 mil, 15 mil fork. Sorry, 15 mil through axle and 110 mil spacing. Man, these suspension forks are so light. Wow, it's been a few years since I've worked on a mountain bike, and yeah, this is really nice stuff. So it's 100 mil travel. Rockshox SID SL Select. Yeah, I like the design. It's black. It's suits most bikes. I wouldn't mind a bit more flashy colors, but hey, it's gonna be pretty hard to match to other bikes. Yeah, it looks awesome. The steering tube is already pretty short, but I'm still gonna have to cut that. We got here, this is the air. You know, to pump it up. Looks great, looks really good. What can I say? You know, rebound adjustment at the bottom. Click, click. Ooh, that feels so good. 2, 1. These mounts, if I'm not mistaken, they fit a 180 mil without any spacer. So you can't go smaller than 180 mil rotor with this fork, which, you know, why would you want to? So I've got an XT 180 mil rotor ready to go. Should be all good. Yeah, so in the next video I'm gonna be putting this up in the frame and building up the bike. Let you know how it goes.